In August 1990, the world witnessed one of the most remarkable acts of humanitarianism in history. It was the incredible airlift operation carried out by Air India, which helped evacuate 170,000 stranded Indians from war-torn Kuwait. As Iraq invaded Kuwait, more than 170,000 Indians found themselves trapped in a dangerous and uncertain predicament. But hope was on the horizon. Foreign Minister Ik Gujral played a crucial role in bringing Iraq on board with the evacuation efforts. A group of selfless individuals, including Mathuni Matthews, Harbhajan Singh Vedi, and others, based in Kuwait, also played a vital part in the evacuation efforts, working tirelessly to help their fellow countrymen. Initially, the government of India attempted to evacuate its nationals using military aircraft. However, due to airspace clearance issues, they had to switch to civilian planes. Air India stepped up to the challenge, along with Indian Airlines, and began the mammoth task of flying 170,000 people from Amman, Jordan, to Bombay, a distance of 4,117 kilometers. As the operation progressed, buses were also used to transport Indian nationals from Kuwait to Jordan, after obtaining Baghdad's approval. The incredible courage and determination shown during this airlift operation inspired the 2016 film, Airlift, starring Akshay Kumar, who portrayed a character inspired by the real-life heroes involved in the evacuation. This record-breaking evacuation by Air India will always be remembered as a testament to the strength and unity of the Indian people during a time of crisis.